A number is selected at random from the set of whole numbers from 1 to 9 inclusive. What is the probability that the number is even? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. So the question tells us that a number is selected from the set of whole numbers from 1 to 9 inclusive. What that means is that 1 and 9 are included. We are going to find the probability that the number that will be selected will be an even number. The set of whole numbers from 1 to 9 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can see that there are 9 members in this set. The even numbers in this set are 2, 4, 6, 8. There are 4 members here. So the set of numbers from 1 to 9 are 9 in number, and the even numbers in this set are 4 in number. The probability that the number selected is even is equal to the number of even numbers in the set, which is 4, divided by the total number of members in the set, which is 9. So the probability that the number selected at random is even is equal to 4 divided by 9. When we check through the options we have here, we can see that the correct option is option C.